Now, from the studios of Into Tomorrow in Miami, this is ITTV.
Our next guest company connects car fans with the information hidden inside our cars. We think that's pretty cool, and Chris on our team has been using one of their products and enjoying it a lot. It gives him a lot of great information. The co-founder and CEO of Carly Connected Car is Avid Avini. Avid, welcome Into Tomorrow, joining us from Munich, Germany. How are you, sir?
Thanks so much for having me. I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, and we appreciate you giving us a couple of minutes. Tell me first a little bit about the company, and then let's get into the Carly device itself and how you simply plug it into an OBD port and get incredible amounts of information.
So as you correctly mentioned, Carly is a company that connects car owners, mostly passionate car owners, with the information hidden inside their cars. What we do is we unlock all the data that is hidden and make it easy to understand and actionable, put it inside the app, and give you tips and tricks on how to repair and then save costs on whatever you do with your car.
And of course, when you talk about all the data that's hidden, I mean, people might be thinking, well, what's hidden? I mean, I'm getting, my fuel indicator and my temperature and oil, basic info on the dashboard. Well, yeah, that's basic info, but there's so much more to especially any modern car the last many years that you probably want that information and you want to know what it's doing, whether you're a big car fan, a big buff, car buff or not. It's very helpful to have this info. Would you suggest that?
Totally, yeah. So this is information that goes very deep into the car. A car has a minimum of 10 computers, going up to 60 different computers. And each of these computers has up to 140,000 possible fault codes.
Wow.
So I think 1 or 2% maybe of these will be shown in your dashboard. If you want to access anything more than that, you have to plug in the OBD device and read out manufacturer-specific fault code data. That's just one of the examples. We can also give you mileage information, tell you if the car has been tampered with, and so on. There's so much information hidden inside these cars, and car owners have no access to this.
Yeah, I think the ability for folks to check the car's main systems, and you mentioned on the dashboard, if we get 1 or 2%, we think we're happy. Well, there's so much more, and to have so many possible fault codes and things that could be causing an issue. One of the things that Chris has used regularly is to reset his check engine light. Of course, now it seems to me that the problem with that is great, it resets it, but shouldn't you be digging further? Shouldn't you know what the problem is? And he can with his Carly unit to be able to get more info. Oh, and he just came in and literally dropped his phone to show us that the app provides all kinds of great information. But let's talk about how even something as simple as that check engine light that might just be a pain and something that perhaps you don't really have to take any action, but it's always popping on. Carly can turn that off for you.
Yeah, the thing with the check engine light is when that pops up, it's mostly too late. So what happens is that you have issues in your car. They will not become visible until 3 or 6 months later when you see it in your engine light and then the damage has already happened. The idea is to read out faults from all these units that I was speaking about and knowing far ahead if something urgent might come up and fix the problem while it's still small and cheap. That is the whole idea of this. If the engine light is on, it's probably too late. This is about preventing further damage from happening.
Yeah, I'm looking at Chris in the control room, and are you listening? It's probably too late. So don't just reset it because it's irritating to see the check engine light. There are reasons why that's on. So get whatever's wrong fixed. But I'm looking at his phone and the My Carly app. It's a lot of information here that you can obtain. What are the common things that you find most of your customers are able to take full advantage of with their Carly unit?
There's two things. Number one main use case for our customers is they plug the OBD adapter in and look for issues inside the car. And then we have this feature called Smart Mechanic, which is basically a digital version of your personal expert mechanic, giving you tons of information about potential causes of an issue and repair guidelines and next steps. So this is really getting into car repair maintenance and taking an hour or two of your time and really understanding what is going on in the car. We give you an indicator if you can repair it yourself, how hard the repair is going to be, how difficult it is, what the first couple of steps should be in order to identify where the issue lies, and how expensive a repair could happen. So this is the number one feature. We call it Smart Mechanic because in the end, it's basically a smart digital version of your personal mechanic.
I like that. Of course, we all want a smart mechanic, not so much a smart aleck mechanic, as we might say, but a smart mechanic. Your digital car toolbox is the Carly unit, which I think is truly fascinating. And the fact that you guys provide how difficult or how easy something might be for whether it's the do-it-yourselfers or just somebody who tinkers with their cars periodically, maybe gets to a point where they can say, you know what, I can do this. I don't have to pay a fortune at the mechanic or worse, the car dealer to get this done. I know the problem, and the Carly folks have helped me figure out how to solve it. If you're comfortable with that, go for it.
Exactly. In the end, it's about making car repair and maintenance cheaper and quicker. And whether you want to repair it yourself or not, that's up to you, but we help you for both cases. It's definitely something that helps a lot of different kinds of people.
Oh, for sure. Now, we talked about how we plug the Carly unit into the OBD port, which is onboard diagnostics, correct?
Yes, correct. Onboard diagnostics.
And every car since, what, 1986, I think, pretty much has an OBD port?
96? 97, I would say.
97, okay. And it's just literally that easy to do. You plug it in this case, you got a couple of LEDs as well. So how does it work? It's now monitoring all these various systems. This little device, and I'm reminding our radio audience, be sure and come and see the video at intotomorrow.com of Avid and I talking about this and showing you how it worked. But how would you describe how it does what it does?
So this OBD hardware, you plug it into the OBD port, which is mostly located near the steering wheel. And what it does, it connects to the main computer of the car, which itself is connected to all the other computers that I was talking about. And while being connected to the car, it creates a Wi-Fi signal or Bluetooth Wi-Fi signal, which then in return can connect to your smartphone. And whenever you open the app and press on connect and press on several features or you want to gather more information, the app sends a request to the adapter, to the dongle, the scanner hardware, which forwards this request to the car. The car answers, puts the request back into the app, and the app visualizes the data and makes it easy to understand. So basically, it's just a wireless transaction of information going into the car and back into your phone, making all this very complicated data very easy to understand and visualizing it inside the smartphone.
So, Avid, does it work pretty much the same for all cars, or are there some differences, some cars where it might not work as well or give as much information? And if so, how do we determine that?
So the smart mechanic feature that we talked about is basically the same for all kind of cars starting 1998. We support 96% of all cars on the road in North America, Europe, and Asia.
Good.
So that will not be an issue. We have further very specific features that are not covered for every single car brand. For example, the customizations where you can individualize comfort features, for example, the lighting behavior or the signals you're shown in your dashboard. But I would consider these more of a playful tool. The smart mechanic feature that actually helps you to repair and maintain your car better, that is supported for all kinds of car brands.
And one of the things that Chris pointed out on the app was the fact that there's a used car check, which I find fascinating. These days especially, I just bought a brand new car, and the price for selling my used car was far better than it had ever been in years past. There's certainly a big market these days for your used car, even if it's not in the best of shape. So keep that in mind. But what does the used car check actually do for you?
So we've experienced that a lot of people who buy cars experience mileage issues, mileage tampering issues, and they're not always being told the truth about prior accidents and airbag. So what happens is that we read out all the airbag information, mileage information, and then tell the customer if the car has been tampered with, if the mileage is correct, if the airbags have gone off, so if there was a prior accident or not. And this gives a lot of safety, of course, before buying a used car and avoids a bad purchase.
Oh, for sure. It's certainly a very valuable tool if you're looking to sell or to buy a used car, that you want to get good information. So you can basically just take your Carly unit with you if you're shopping for another car, especially a used car, plug it into the OBD port and use your app and see if the car is worth whatever it is somebody's asking for it.
Correct, yeah. It takes not even a minute, so it's super easy to do.
Ah, love it. And of course, the used car dealer is probably freaking out, but oh well, that's their problem. You're going to be an informed buyer, so that's a good thing. Can Carly tell what will happen to your car into tomorrow, say?
So part of the Smart Mechanic feature is to predict potential future issues. So if you read out car faults, of course, you want to know how severe the issue is and if it might lead up to more severe issues in the future. So we are working on a software feature that is called Predictions and Intelligence, which tells you if future issues will come up based on the current context that you have with the car, how long it will take, and how severe these will be. And we have this for the first couple of car brands. We're rolling it out in the next couple of months for all car brands worldwide. This is the only solution like this that exists for consumers to predict future car issues. And we can only do this, of course, because we've been gathering anonymous data for 8 years and 9 years now, which is more than 25 million data points, where we can use them to compare to individual cars and then say, your car looks like these couple of other cars, and these other cars had similar issues happen to them in the future. So this is the reason we can provide such a feature.
I think that's fascinating. And the fact that it's all app-based in that sense, because you can obviously check the data with your phone, Android or iPhone, and get all that info, allows you guys to keep very much up to date. You simply update your app and you say, oh, we've got additional info. If it accesses your database, as you mentioned, because you've got all these data collection points and things that will help others, then it's kind of an ongoing process that works well for your customers. Obviously, for Carly, doing a great job.
Yeah, the great thing is the more people use it, the better the software gets, of course.
Sure.
So this is something that is really strong. This is also why we're thinking strongly about a community to link people together that have similar fault contexts, because in the end, that is what helps the most. If you talk to people who had a very similar issue and then they can tell you how they repaired it. This is also something we do because we know exactly what kind of issues people have.
Gotcha. Now, Avid, as co-founder and CEO of Carly Connected Car, I'm wondering, are you in particular a car buff, a fan of all kinds of cars, and your staff, your team? How did you come about deciding to start to do this? What got you motivated?
So my family had a 760 BMW 8 years ago, and that had a lot of problems. We brought it to the workshop, and every time they plugged in the original manufacturer software, they charged us $120 each time. We were not getting smarter. So what we thought what we should do is just plug our own OBD device in. It cannot be that hard to read out the information because my whole family, we studied computer science, so it should be possible. So that's how it started, and people on the car forums international, they wanted to have such a feature, and they wanted to have the same information because we were talking to them. We provided this into the app stores, and then things took off from there. Personally, I'm not into cars per se. I'm very much into the software and the electronics of cars, because this is mostly what we do. We're not driving to tuning events. We're really working a lot on the electronics and the software of cars, which is in the end helpful for our customers.
Sure. I was going to say, and you're right, in the end, that's what we want to know, that you are taking care of things from the computer standpoint of the software end, and collecting and translating that data to make sense to those of us who are car owners or purchasers or looking to buy one. Let's talk about the price of Carly, and then I'm assuming there's a monthly subscription as well. How does that work?
So it's an annual subscription. And we found the best model is to give the hardware for free and charge for the license on an annual basis. And starting at $80 to $100 per year, you can have the scanner for free and the full access to all features for your car brand.
Ah, love it. And you're going to spend easily more than $80 or $100 with one visit to your mechanic. So this is certainly a good investment. MyCarly.com, MyCarly.com. Of course, we'll get you there too when you visit IntoTomorrow.com. Avid Avini, the co-founder and CEO of Carly Connected Car. Keep up the good work and keep up the updating at all times for this, and let us know when we can chat again. Maybe you're going to have some other products at some point that can be as similarly helpful to all of us.
Thanks so much, Dave. We're working on a lot of interesting stuff, and we'll keep in touch, definitely. Thank you.
Good, by all means, because we will want to chat with you again. Again, Avid Avini, the co-founder and CEO, Carly Connected Car. You want to visit MyCarly.com. When you stop by IntoTomorrow.com, we'll get you there as well. You'll be just a mouse click away. And again, if you're listening on the radio and you have yet to see the video, be sure to visit us at IntoTomorrow.com and check out the video. We show you how it all works, and it's truly fascinating. And Chris is going to grab this back from my hands along with his smartphone because he wants to get it back in his car quickly. I'm Dave Graveline. Into Tomorrow continues. Stay tuned right here on the Advanced Media Network.